Welcome to Series Luxury. My name is Michael and I'll be guiding you through this luxurious one-bedroom apartment located at Kyrenia City Center. This exquisite space boasts one balcony, a spacious living area, and stunning lighting features. Without further ado, let's explore the apartment. As you enter, you are greeted by a breathtaking view of the living area. Gold and black details adorn the room, creating an opulent ambience. The living area is bathed in ample light, and the couch features a beautiful beige color that complements the walls and kitchen seamlessly. Isn't that amazing? A dazzling chandelier hangs in the center, accompanied by 4 mounted wall lights, 2 near the TV area and 2 at the dining space. The dining area is conveniently situated close to the sitting area, offering a seamless transition between relaxation and dining spaces. The 4-seater dining set features an elegant stone-top table, adding a touch of sophistication to the overall design. This arrangement not only enhances the flow of the apartment, but also provides a comfortable and stylish setting for enjoying meals and entertaining guests. Just beside the dining area, we find the kitchen, a functional and stylish space. The kitchen boasts a stone countertop, providing ample room for preparing meals and keeping kitchen essentials. Despite the absence of an induction cooker, the kitchen is well equipped with all the essentials for a seamless culinary experience. Inside the kitchen, you'll find a dishwasher for easy cleanup, a microwave for quick meals, an oven for baking delights, a refrigerator to keep things fresh, and a washing machine for added convenience. The bathroom is a real standout for me. The mirror's backlighting adds a touch of intimacy, perfect for those mirror selfies and self-love moments. And here's a cool feature. If you're not a fan of having the main lights on all the time, the mirror can be a great substitute. Next to this fantastic mirror, there's a socket that makes shaving a breeze. The bathroom also features a water closet with a futuristic look, adding a modern touch to the space. And for those who prefer a quick and refreshing shower, we have got a standing shower that completes the bathroom experience. It's all about blending style and functionality in this space. Let's step into the bedroom now. The bedroom harmonizes with the overall color theme of the house, featuring beautiful beige walls and curtains that perfectly complement each other. Positioned neatly in one corner of the room is a wardrobe complete with a mirror, a powder area, and a TV nearby. The bed, a comfortable queen-sized retreat, takes its place in another corner, adorned with an orthopedic mattress for a restful night's sleep. And I know you would love that. As you explore further, you will notice the bedroom opens up to a spacious balcony. This outdoor sanctuary not only provides a charming setting for conversations and hangouts with close friends and family, but also serves as a personal haven, a perfect spot to unwind after a day's work or simply indulge in those quiet moments. What's more, the balcony conveniently connects to the dining area through a separate door. So yeah, after eating you can just run away. Considering these amenities and the prime location of this apartment, its value is anticipated to rise in the coming months. Investing in this space isn't just an opportunity, it's a lucrative prospect that shouldn't be overlooked. This is more than a place to live. It's an investment in a lifestyle of luxury and comfort. Thank you for watching. This is Series Luxury. Have a wonderful day.